We present to you an application which will help doctors in the diagnosis of diseases from a urine report. We call it Nephrogithm, which is a combination of nephrology and algorithm. Our aim is to reduce workload on the doctors and the possible chances of error in the diagnosis of diseases, and also to ensure fast diagnosis so that more patients can be entertained. We believe this project will have an extensive utility as urine report examination is done several times a day in Pakistani hospitals, so our target market is currently all hospitals in Rawalpindi and Islamabad. It is the first application of its kind in Pakistan. How does it do it? A urine report contains various fields which can be divided into two main categories, namely the components, which are present in the urine, and the physical properties. The components include fields such as proteins, sugar, bile salts, red blood cells, etc. The physical properties include color, pH, odor, and specific gravity. The results of these fields along with the symptoms of the patient are entered into our application. The output of our application is a list of possible diseases along with the chances of occurrence of each disease in the patient. Our application also suggests further tests to the patient. So what is the algorithm? When the results of the urine report are entered into our application, it detects which components are abnormally present. Physical characteristics are also compared to their standard values to find out the abnormal ones. It then determines which components can be the cause of this abnormality. It takes these abnormal components and determines the diseases which can be caused by these components. These diseases are entered into a linked list. The symptoms related to each of these diseases are determined and are entered into a AVL tree linked to each node of the linked list. The patient is asked about these symptoms and then based on this input a percentage of the chance of that disease in the patient is calculated. So which tools have we used? Qt, Microsoft Visual Studio and MySQL Workbench.
Created using Powtoon.